What's up, you guys? I have with me a pipe. That's a Yamaha Zuma 50F, which has the same motor as the Yamaha C3 and the Yamaha Vino. This is the pipe I have. Two brothers. Performance pipe. Got everything here. Figured you guys probably want to hear what it sounds like before and after, so let's do that. By the way, this one has the 76cc big bore kit. Big boy kit, which is get a little bit extra sound from this pod filter. This thing's completely done up, 50 mile an hour top speed. So we got to install the pipe, but not only that, we've got this fuel tuner. This is our beast mode fuel tuner, which you can find on our website, and that adjusts the fuel delivery. You just choose the RPM you want to increase the fuel or decrease, and that's it. So since we're adding the pipe, we'll have to add it just a little bit more. So let me put this sucker in really quick and I'll let you hear it. Alright, well that was like a super quick and easy install. When you do a pipe, you always want to do like the intake with it. Make sure to do those in a pair. If you're going to do them in a pair, you definitely have to do a rejet if you have a carburetor, or tune it, give a little bit more fuel because you have more air coming in and you have to match that fuel with a fuel tuner like our Rolling Wrench Beast Mode. But check it out, rollingwrenchdenver.com.